Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this really cool product to try out from the brand Elaluz, which is a brand that I'm not familiar with, so I'm very excited to try out this brand that is new to me that I got in my December 2022 Boxycharm Premium Box, which if you still haven't seen that unboxing video, that is up here on my YouTube channel. But this is the liquid bronzer with Camu Camu that I got in Superstar Shimmer. So this retails for $32 and it's really cool. I actually have never tried a product out like this because it can be used on the body and the face, and it's buildable and it's supposed to not budge. It's transfer proof. So just very cool, and it looks beautiful. A big size bronzer, which I would hope for $32. This is also clean, cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. And I feel like going into this, I'm a little intimidated, but hopefully it'll be pretty easy to use. Okay, so it's a pump. I'm just gonna be applying it to my face today. But I'm gonna go ahead and just, I don't even know how much to use, put a little onto the back of my hand here. Like, I guess I'll just start with that tiny, tiny bit. And oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna just blend this out a little bit. Ooh, it's very thin. It almost has like an oily feel to it, but it's also very like shimmery metallic. I mean, it is supposed to dry down, but while I have some on my finger here, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of, let's see, dot it on. Let's see how this goes. Okay, you can see as I'm blending it out, it's not crazy pigmented, which is not a bad thing. It has that oily feel. So it is going on looking a little greasy, but we'll see how it dries down. I mean, right now, I feel like I'm just left with a bit of shine and really not much color at all, not much pigment, but it is supposed to be buildable. And I only went in with a tiny bit, so it does say you can use a sponge, a brush, your finger. So now I'm just gonna pick this up on the sponge and just go over it a bit more. But like for my bronzer purposes, I don't love that. It's definitely moving and like lifting my foundation, the makeup that I had on my cheek here, because of that oily liquid texture. So that's not good. But I could see this being better for the body. It does have like gold glitter shimmer in it as well, but I feel like I'm not seeing much of the glitter on my skin right now. But it's also making my skin look very bumpy and emphasizing texture a lot, which is concerning. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more. Oh, it does say to shake it up. So let me make sure to give this a good shake. Okay. Like I'm seriously just taking the tiniest little bit because it comes out looking pretty dark in the, I mean the product itself. Oh yeah, it looks like it absorbed into my sponge a bit. But okay. I probably could have just put that directly on the sponge, but let's go over this a bit, see if I can build up the color. Okay, wait, I thought I liked blending it out with the sponge better, but it's really absorbing into the sponge. I feel like this texture is really hard to work with. Like now I feel like I'm not getting anything on my skin. Definitely not building up to bronzer. If anything, it's looking greasy, shiny. Almost like I could use this as a highlighter. Not into applying it with my finger, not into applying it with the sponge, but let's see how it is maybe with a brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply like that same little tiny pea size amount onto the back of my hand like this. And with a flat stippling brush, let's see if this works. It really does not have much pigment at all. I feel like this is more like a tint of color that I really do think would just be better on the body. Because as I'm trying to apply it to my face here, it's just looking greasy, textured. I'm actually not seeing the glitter on my face, but I just feel like it's making my skin look so bumpy compared to how my skin looks without it. So bummed about that I can't or will not be getting use out of this on my face, I don't think. But, you know, while I've still got some on my hand here, I keep going in with the tiniest little bit, but let's just see like how it were to look on the body. If I were to just blend it out, yeah, I mean, it does give a nice bronzy glow to the skin. And since it's transfer proof, you can apply it and then put clothing on and not worry about your clothing getting all covered in bronzer. And it's going to give that nice moisturizing reflective sheen, which on the body is going to look nice. Whereas on the skin, it can look a little greasy. But look at the, I mean, it's a very slight difference in color, like slightly more bronzy. And it does say you can build it up, but I just feel like it's going to give a really flattering tint of color, glow, like to give that more glistening effect. Kind of see the difference in my hands there. And a nice moisturizing texture. And once you blend it out like that, it does dry down pretty quickly. Yeah, just looking at my hands right here, I really do like how it looks. Just a little bit more shine, definitely some more color. So I'm glad that I'm still going to be able to get some good use out of this on the body, but for me, not until like the summertime. So it's kind of funny that I got this in my December box, but you know, maybe I can give that kind of summer glow to my skin. Or if you were to go on vacation in the winter, this would be a great product to bring with you. So this didn't quite go how I was hoping it would, but I wouldn't say this is a total dud. I think it'll still be used. However, if you've tried it out, definitely let me know in the comments down below how you like to use it, what you think of it, and if you've tried any other products from this brand, Elaluz, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them, if there's any that you would recommend. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.